not to headbang.
So, we're gonna try shining up this aluminum, make it all shiny with some Scotch-Brite. I don't actually know if this works, but I've seen videos where other people had Scotch-Brite and they just scrubbed away and it eventually got shinier, so let's see if it'll work. Think it made a difference?
I don't know. Compared to this side,
Not sure.
I don't know if it really made much of a difference.
Start the time lapse.
So you guys can't tell because you're just watching the video, but these pits here, before they were like super bumpy, but now after like just a couple minutes of Scotch-Briting, they're so smooth. Like
Yeah.
you can only see them, you can't even feel them.
And like this blue stuff here,
You can still see them now, but probably a couple more minutes of Scotch-Briting, those will come right out. It's actually amazing.
This blue stuff, it didn't really make a big difference on this, but I'm thinking that this is just the light version of this. This is the coarse version.
This is coarser and it works better.
Yeah, but I think after, since this is all coarse, if we try with this, maybe on a drill or something, it'll probably work a lot better too. So these blue ones, they hardly did nothing. Like even on the drill, for like 30 seconds, they would be spinning, and it would make no difference at all. It'd actually make it worse, if anything. And then just take this, and then right away as it gets cleaner. Like 30 seconds of this, and then this black stuff would be almost gone. So these green ones, they work a lot better than these blue ones. These blue ones must be like extremely weak or something, but these are good for like, they're just a lot more heavy duty, and I guess you need heavy duty when it comes to stuff like this. So, but we did order some actual Scotch-Brite, some Scotch-Brite pads like that actually work that we've seen in video. Yeah, wheels that you can attach to like a drill or bench grinder or whatever, and then we can just like, yeah, it works a lot better than even these. But even this works, so I'm glad to know that.
Now to take the rim apart, I'm going to be using a 1/4 inch wrench to get these little nut things off. Not sure what they're called.
Try not to headbang.
There we go. That concludes about 2 hours of work. Just getting this out.